Hi, my name is Andrew Parra, and I'd like to walk you through this new robot I've been working on for the past couple of months called Bender. This robot was made by a group of UC Santa Cruz friends from our team SOMA, which was our senior design project. That group consists of myself, Eric Pasternak, John Burr, Sean-Yves Knudsen, Rachel Lyles, and Tom Gertis. And so after we graduated from school, Rachel actually got married, and we built her a robotic ring bearer for her wedding. And when we heard that Sean was getting married, we decided we were going to make a robot for him as well. So we ended up building this robot, which we're calling Bender. Bender stands for Banana Slug Engineered Nuptial Drink Emitting Robot. So this is a mixed drink dispensing bot that we built for his reception. So the general concept is we have a tablet that gets plugged into here. The tablet's not currently here yet, but this demo will show everything without the tablet. The tablet's with one of our other engineers. So the idea is you come up to this bot, you press our big red button, the tablet turns on, and you're asked to record a 30-second congratulations video for the couple. After you've recorded your congratulations video, you then put your glass into the cup holder, and you can place your order, your drink order, and the robotic arm will move around from station to station, pouring exact amounts of whatever drink it is you've ordered, or whatever the ingredients are for that drink that you've ordered, into your cup, and then return back to the beginning for you to enjoy. So let me walk you through it. So as far as the electrical is concerned, we actually start with a regular ATX power supply, and that feeds into this 24-pin connector which hangs out of the back of the bot. There's an extra power switch here on the back of the bot that allows you to turn it on as well. You see we have this long USB line. This is basically a debug USB that plugs into Arduino. For boards, we have 3 boards. The first board is actually over in this corner, and this board distributes power. It has breakouts to the Hall effect sensors and also breakouts to the motor, breakouts to our power supply switch, and a breakout to the big red button. Our second board is hidden in this layer, and it's actually in an enclosure box, and that board basically just feeds to all of these valves and all of these LEDs, blue LEDs. The third and last board is up here, and this board is our Arduino and our Arduino breakout board. Each of these boards talks to each other through just a regular RJ45, and power is distributed to each board as well.
Okay, so even though we don't have the tablet with us, we can still walk through each of the tablet screens that'll be shown to the end user. When the user walks up to the device, they'll first be shown a picture of Sean and Kristen. To get to the next page, they can either tap on this picture or they can hit our big red button. On the next page, we tell the user what the name of the robot is. It's Bender, what it stands for. We say, to Sean and Kristen, we're wishing you the best, blah, blah, blah. From your SOMA friends, Andrew, Eric, John, Rachel, and Tom, please record a 30-second video. You're going to get to pick from a variety of mixed drinks, and hopefully they'll get to watch and enjoy their drink. So they can go ahead and click Next after that. And on this screen, this is our recording screen. So as soon as the user taps record, they'll see themselves in the camera. Right now it's just showing the ceiling, but where it says press record to start, it'll actually show a countdown timer for 30 seconds. So they can sit there and they can watch themselves record their congratulations video and also watch the countdown timer down from 30 seconds. Once that's done, the file is then saved to a local, it's saved onto the tablet, and it's also saved into a Dropbox folder so that friends and family and Sean and Kristen can look at the videos later. So after that, they can click Next. And this is where we show the list of drinks that the bot is capable of making. So the bot actually got these lists of drinks based on the 8 ingredients that are currently in the bot right now. As you can see right now, all of these drinks are actually green. Green means we have every ingredient required for this particular drink. 1 of 1 means that there is one ingredient for this drink, and we have 1 of the 1. So this is maybe not super exciting, but on some of these other ones you'll see like 4 of 4 or 3 of 3, meaning we have all of the ingredients for that mixed drink. You can search the drinks list by clicking on this filter drinks. all of the ingredients that are currently in the bot are shown here. We actually have to work with a bartending company who's hosting this event, and they're actually charging for the alcohol. We're going to be using their alcohol for this bot because we don't have a liquor license and they do. But they were nice enough to work with us and let us use their alcohol for the bot. But we still needed to charge. So we've been working with them on prices for per ounce for each of the drinks. So we were able to program in the prices per ounce for each of the drinks. And when the user taps on the drink that they want, we'll show a list of ingredients and we'll show the final price as well. If the user's picky and maybe they want to decide on, they want to combine their own mix of ingredients, they can. They can click on, or they can tap on any of these numbers and change them into whatever values they'd like, and we'll still update the prices and things like that. If the user taps on the show all, we will show every drink that is in our database and they'll now be color coded. Again, green means we have all of the ingredients, but you might see some that are yellow, which means we're missing 1 or 2 ingredients, and if it's red, it means that we're missing more than 2 ingredients. So after the user selected their drink, they understand that they're going to pay for it, and they click Mix. That's when we show them one last page, and this is sort of our "Are you sure you're ready" page. So we're getting ready to pour the drink. Make sure you've added ice if you like. Place your glass, that's important. And you're going to have to pay the bar this amount for your drink. So they'll go ahead and do that, and then they'll click Next, and that's when the robot starts moving. So as the robot's moving, you can see whoever ordered this drink ordered a brass monkey, and they're only going to get 2 out of the 3 ingredients. We show what's in it. We list our comments here as well, and we tell them to make sure that you pay the bar however much for your drink. There's also an emergency stop button here, so when as the arm's moving, if maybe they forgot their glass or something's going wrong, they can tap that emergency stop button to quickly stop whatever it's doing, and it will return the arm back into the home position. So that's the tablet interface.
Okay, so this is what the bot looks like. So when you walk up to it, you will be pressing our big red button and starting up the tablet. The tablet's not here right now, but tablet would turn on. You'd enter in your, record your video. Video gets sent to a local laptop for storage, and then you'd press mix your drink. So what I can show you in the meantime is, so the way that everything communicates is we have our Android device sends a command over to the Arduino, basically telling it which valve and for how long. And the Arduino controls the motors. It controls all of these Hall effect sensors. There are Hall effect sensors under every location, and there's a magnet underneath this motor mount. The Arduino also controls each of the valves and each of the LEDs. So, so since we don't have the tablet to send the message to the Arduino, I can actually kind of cheat and use a serial command to send a message to the Arduino. So let me get that set up right now. Okay, so after I want to make sure I've got a cup in here. So right now we're kind of at the 0, 0 position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to send the motor to spot valve 5 and pour for 5 quantity. And we go. So there we go. The LEDs are kind of following it, and we're pouring. And now we might say go to spot 343. And now we might say go to spot 245. And notice how we're picking the shortest path here. It's just water in all of these. And then let's just return to home. All right, and you can enjoy your drink. This is just plain old tap water.